Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Socks here. Let's not waste any time, okay? What I want to go over today on this beautiful 60-degree day while I'm sitting in this parking lot, I had the laptop with me, and I decided to close that up, and I wanted to do a talking video. And we're still going to go over a few things, right? If I pull this up right here, it's interesting because the past month or so, you had a whole lot of talk, right? You had a whole lot of talk about new rules and regulations coming into play, other things that are going to stop short sellers, cause the squeeze, trigger the squeeze, right? You had a lot of talk going around, a lot of proposals going out. One thing we didn't notice was on this consecutive downtrend we've been in since December, this is the longest period of consolidation we've had. Now, I want to warn you for the worst, okay? It's forming a sort of a head and shoulders pattern on AMC, and this usually means a reversal. An inverse would mean a reversal to the upside, but right now, it looks like the worst case scenario is you go down and you retest that $13.40 to $13.80 zone where AMC bottomed out at. If you get a test on that zone come tomorrow or Tuesday or the next day, chances are you're going to break below that. And it's dangerous. It's risky. But at the same time, I'm not sure if we can break below that because the fact that we've tested it twice and we've consolidated for this long period of time and all of these proposals are coming in, it seems as if they're worried that they can't get the price any lower. Also, guys, this is one thing that I don't like that's not fair, okay? There's a lot of synthetic shares out there that even if they stop naked short selling right now, somehow, at some point, the price is still at $15 for them, right? 15, 16, 17, 14, whatever. Most shorts got in between $2 and $9, so that's not even... They already screwed us, okay? This entire time, they were taking profits through the derivatives market and then getting this price all the way down to here at the same time. If anything, they made money off of this play, which is what I don't like, right? If some way, shape, or form where they actually count the synthetics in this play and bring us up to the actual price that we should be at before the shorts cover, that's ultimately what we need. That's what should happen. That's what's fair, right? And if it doesn't happen, you should be enraged because that's stealing your money, right? It's not letting this thing go as high. All right. One thing else that interests me is the data reported by FINRA, which is on Stonko Tracker. Stonko Tracker takes this data from FINRA, solely from FINRA, right? So you have these 68 to 70%, something insanely high, short exempt volume, okay? And I don't like this because you can see, right? Obviously, there was a lot of factors that you could see where there must be naked shorts in the play, like with the whole 90% thing, and then the institutions, and then et cetera, and then it just overs the flow, things like that. But utilization has been at 100%, yet there's still hundreds of thousands of shares being shorted. And the short volume insanely high, dark pool not applicable, right? How come Gary just doesn't come out and talk about this? Like, I get it, they may or may not be doing things behind the scenes, but it's taken long enough, honestly. And the fact that millions of retail investors had to come out and speak about it instead of them just doing something, because this didn't just happen with AMC. This has happened before, right? You guys seen MULN. That's terrible. That's been happening for a while. Other stocks, this has always been a thing. It took 4 to 6 million retail investors to speak up an entire year for the SEC to actually do something. So I think if you guys haven't seen the video, AMC and the corrupt financial cycle, that video has a pretty interesting theory in it where some people are paid off, right? And some people are saved in the form of recycling retail's money, things like that. Ultimately, guys, let's get ready for this week. I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. And for this week to come, honestly, because you could see it, right? You could see it this week. Okay, if transparency is finalized and kicks in, we're going to see what it does. We're going to see if transparency is really going to do something. You're probably going to see a run up before it's even finalized and put out there, right? You're going to see it start running, and then Gary Gensler put out a tweet, whatever, short sale transparency finalized, this, that, and the third. They're going to know about it before us. You're going to see it moving. That's if it changes anything. Right now, it does look like we're setting up to go red on Monday, but we'll see what happens, guys. I hope we get this run up soon within the next week or so. That's all, guys. I am just enjoying the Sunday. This is beautiful. 60 degrees out. Just got a workout in. Making this video, talking to you guys. This is literally the best thing that we could happen. Also, guys, I wanted to make an example, right? This coffee, this is about a $3.50 coffee, okay? Do you know that the amount of money you're going to make in this play is going to be absolutely disgusting, even if it's life-changing or not? You pressing buttons is going to load your bank account with thousands of these. Thousands. It's just an example, because you can hit a trade. For example, a simple options trade, right? You play a call on a SPY, it runs, you pull like 10 contracts, you can make thousands. And I just want you guys to feel grateful that you're in the stock market and know how to trade the stock market, because you can press buttons and live your life like this. Some people can live full time like this. Also, I plan on dropping a 1348 video on how to actually use it, because I just dropped it, how to set it up. Yeah, guys, that is it. Please consider smashing like on this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. We are on the road to 5K subscribers. We are at 4.3 right now, and 70-something% are still not subscribed that view the videos, which is absolutely nuts. Make sure to drop a comment below. I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out. Yo, guys, this is going to probably be added to every end video when I say Lottery Stocks out. So if you already seen this, feel free to click off the video. But this is the partnership for Moomoo, okay? If you hit the link in the description and deposit $1, now there's a guaranteed free Neo stock, which is already like 20-something free bucks. On top of that, there's 5 extra stocks that you get free for depositing your $1 up to $3,500 worth. Okay, guys, that is really it. It's free money. It takes 5 minutes, and you only have to deposit $1, and you still keep your $1 as well.